Hey, first grade. So let's go ahead and finish up our numbers for 20. So we just got done doing 11 through 15. So now let's do 16 through 20. And remember, these are our teen numbers. So with our teen numbers, we are going to have 2 digits inside in each number. So here we have the number 17. So with 17, you see that we have 2 digits. We have a 1 and we have a 7. That is in standard form. Then down here at the bottom, we have 17 in word form. Our scoops of ice cream, we get 1 group of 10 and 7 ones. If we look at our 10 frame, you have 1 entire 10 frame filled and you have 7 extra dots. So you have an entire 10, so 1 group of 10 and then 7 dots. That's the number 17. 17 is the same as saying 10 and 7 more. We could also say 10 plus 7 equals 17. We have a 10 frame filled 7, which gets us to 17. Okay, so that's number 17. Using the Nearpod app, I want you to draw 17 in the 10 frame. So I want you to draw 17 dots. Remember, 17 has a group of 10 and then 7 ones. Let's look at the 17 on the number line. So here's 17 on the number line. We have 18 that goes after and then 16 before. So this is the number 17. So I want you to really be careful and I want you to count up all of the items and look at the 10 frames and circle everything that shows us the number 17. Let's learn about 18. It is a 2-digit number. So we have a 1 and an 8. And the 18 right now is in standard form. Down here, 18 is in word form. We have 1 group of 10 ice cream scoops and then 8 scoops on their own. We have on our 10 frame an entire group of 10 dots filled and then 8 dots extra. So that gives us 18. Another way to say that is 18 is the same as 10 and 8 more. So 10 plus 8 equals 18. In your Nearpod, show me using the 10 frames what the number 18 looks like. Here's 18 on a number line. We have 18, 19 comes after, and 17 is before. Really be careful, and I want you to count all of the objects that get us to 18. Take your time counting and circle everything that gets us to 18. 19 is another 2-digit number. We have a 1 and a 9. The 19 is in standard form. Down here, the 19 is in word form. We have 1 entire group of 10 of ice cream cones, and we have 9 more. If you look at our 10 frame, we have an entire 10 frame filled, a group of 5 filled, and then 4 more. Just 1 more piece gets us that 20. 19 is the same as saying 10 and 9 more is 19. Or we could say 10 plus 9 equals 19. Using your Nearpod, show me what the number 19 looks like in a 10 frame. Here is 19 on a number line. 18 comes before and 20 comes after. Carefully count all the objects and circle everything that gets you to 19. Our last number is 20. 20 is another 2-digit number. You have a 2 and a 0. But now look at our ice cream cones. We have 2 groups of 10s. And if you look at our 10 frame, we have 2 10 frames that are completely filled. That gets us to 20. The 20 is in standard form at the top and in word form at the bottom. You can also say 20 is the same as 10 and 10 more, or 10 plus 10 equals 20. That gets us to 20. Using your Nearpod, show me what a group of 10 or the number 10 looks like on a 10 frame. Here's the number 20 on a number line. Who comes after? 21. Who comes before? 19. Carefully count all of the objects that represent the number 20. Man, we did really good. We got through all of the numbers 0 through 20. Now, tomorrow during our live lesson, we are going to talk about how to count numbers and how to write numbers. But right now, you know 0 to 20. Don't forget to do all of your Nearpods and show me all the different ways to make 20 from the numbers 0 to 20.